Now, in this short lecture, I will talk about the most fundamental structure of matter. Actually, the matter consists of 17 elementary particles, and as you can see in this picture, and each of the elementary particles has its anti-particle. So in total we have 17 elementary particles and 17 elementary antiparticles. Okay, and the 17 elementary particles consist of 12 elementary matter particles. Actually, those are the 12 elementary matter particles. We have 6 types of quarks in the purple color and 6 types of leptons in the green color. So those 12 elementary matter particles are also called fermions. And in addition, we have 4 elementary force particles in the red color, and the 70th elementary particle is boson X, that is actually responsible for the mass in the other elementary particles. So the 4 fourth elementary particles actually they carry the 4 fundamental forces in nature. The first force particle is the gluon. The gluon actually carries the strong nuclear force that binds the protons together in the nucleus of the atom, and we have 8 types of gluons. And then we have the photon that carries the electromagnetic force that explains how charged particles interact with each other. The photon has no mass, and as the gluons, the photon and the gluons are elementary particles without mass at all. And then we have the boson Z particles and the boson W particles. Boson W has 2 types of particles, and those particles carry the weak nuclear force that is responsible for the radioactive decay of atoms. Okay, and as I've already said, the boson X gives the mass to the other elementary particles, except for the gluon and the proton that has no mass at all. Okay, so actually we can say that the basic building blocks of matter are the atoms. Okay, and a group of atoms that are bound together in a chemical bond is called a molecule. An example of molecule is the water molecule that is H2O. It has two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen that are bound together and create the water molecule. And actually in the atom itself is consisted of electrons that orbit around the center of the atom, and in the center of the atom we have the nucleus that consists of protons and neutrons, and the number of protons in the nucleus determines the chemical element which chemical element it is. For example, the oxygen has 8 protons in the nucleus, while the hydrogen has only 1 proton in the nucleus. Okay, and as I already said, the protons and the neutrons that are in the nucleus of the atom are not elementary particles because they consist of quarks. Okay, and the quarks, we have 6 types of quarks in the purple color that are the elementary particles. There are the 6 elementary particles out of the 17 elementary particles that we know that exist today. Okay, thank you very much.